Madhya Pradesh. She was there. She was highlighting the problem of the women related issues. But right now we are campaigning, we are speaking to you on the child case. So as you know sir, you travel to a lot of public places. So you find small children. They come down and ask you money.
Yeah.
So you offer them?
No, I don't.
Actually, I am raising a question for a simple reason. We can see we have a file picture. 20% of the kids, they are using your money for the wrong purpose. They are buying the cigarette, gutta, ganja and different tobacco products. And issue is like they are 11 to 12 years. They are surviving because they are getting the public money and they go. But same children grow up to adult age, that in the 18 or 19 years, they are not able to survive because they lack public sympathy and public support. And that time, you know, sir, these kids go for crime, starting with chase and pickpocket.
Yes, yes.
So actually doing two things. First, we are giving them education, and secondly, we are counseling them. Like, you know, making them aware like drugs are not good for their life. Because if they don't understand, their future is destroyed. And as well as educated persons, you will agree, for a person to develop in life, education is a mandatory. And without education, development we will not have.
Yeah, I've seen many NGOs doing the same thing.
Okay.
What special you are doing?
See, basically, our work is not restricted to child. Even we are working on community based. For example, not only this child, his mother, his family, also supported by the actions in various ways.
Is there any example?
Example.
How can I believe you?
See, basically, once you are signing up as an actionist supporters, we are sending you one child information. So in that information card, if you can see, you turn the inside and you will be finding the information which community where he belongs and why, what is the problems the community is facing. And to support one of these kids, you can.
By support, I get this child.
Yeah, see, actually,
Sorry.
you will be getting a child.
This is a child photo which I am going to get.
No, not this child. Probably some other child. But definitely within the Indian context.
So which child photo is this? This is yours.
No, it is supported by a person like you.
Okay. Then it has not gone to them and you are carrying it.
No, actually it has gone to that person. Just we are giving a photocopy so that we can show to some person because people will ask us what I will get. So if we don't have, then it will not work. So that is why we are carrying this.
So how can I help you?
See, actually this is a simple form, sir. You can fill down, and every year you can support 7,200.
7,200. It's not possible. Yeah. Pay 7,200.
See, it's a yearly contributions, not on a monthly basis. You can make it yearly, and you will be getting tax exemption also for this amount.
Yeah, fine, that's okay. But I can't pay 7,200 at a time.
Okay. Are you flexible with monthly support? It comes around 600 rupees monthly.
600 is fine.
Yeah, 600. You can support as many children possible. Like you have an option 1, 2, 3. You can support that. And major thing is your support will enable one child to have a development, to have the future. Because if they want to develop, they cannot develop themselves. That is why we are seeking your support, especially an educated person who understands this cause. So just you can fill your details.
So every month you are going to come and pay 600?
No. Actually, as you can see, sir, we are taking to two more. One is your credit card or bank account. You can give a ECS authentication, and every year this amount will, every monthly, this will be debited, and it will be up to 3 years. As a moral commitment we are taking so that.
So I don't think 3 years I can support. Yeah, I have not heard about action yet.
Okay.
Just go with 1 year. Let's see. If we are going to clean food service, let's continue.
Okay, see, as you are taking 1 year only, sir, it's a very nice part you are doing. But on behalf of Action, I would ask you if you can support 3 years. It will help not only the child, it will help our program also, so that we can cover that community and develop. Because we take on a 3-year, 5-year basis.
Yeah, that's fine. I told you, let's see. We'll have let me sit for 1 year.
Okay.
If you can pay this food service, for 3 years. Not a problem.
Fine, sir, you can mention this. And once you fill out this form, after 1 year of your support, we will call you. And you can exchange for one more 2 years.
So what should I do?
So you can fill out the details. Which mode you have, an account or credit card?
Yeah, we'll go into my account.
You can fill down the details. And for, as you know, for first 4 months, we are swiping your card because the bank process is taking.
We didn't tell that for the first 4 months.
No, that is what, sir. I want to clarify because the ECS is taking time to start. So for first 4 months, for the child connect to happen, we are taking an advance amount. And after fifth month, ECS will be activated.
No, yeah, I can go for this monthly 600, this 2400, I can't go there.
Okay. What you can do, sir? Right now you don't have any money.
No, I don't have money.
Okay. What you can do? Give a PDCHS, post-dated check for 4 months, and normal ECS from 50. Is it fine?
Yeah, fine. You can do one thing, you can come on weekend and collect it from my residence.
Okay. Yeah. What you can do, sir? Remaining details you fill down. Account number, everything. Saturday will come and collect the check. Right? How many child you want to support, sir?
I would like to go with one now.
Okay. You can go with 2, sir, so that it will help for the.
Let's see. We'll go with one. And if it's a good service, we can continue for the years also, and I can extend for one more child.
You can continue. Which bank, sir?
So, which address I should?
See, the address should be reachable to you.
Okay.
For example, wherever you are living in city or wherever, it should first person should be used. So that is that address we want.
So, if I give my office address,
Yeah, you can go and no problem.
okay. So, in case next time I'm going to be transferred. So, in that case, how can I?
See, for that we have an option. Anytime you are changing your address, you have to send a mail across to this ID, fundindia@action.org, mentioning your old address and current address. Ordinarily they will update. But anyways, you will be getting email updates because that will be permanent.
So, I can give my official email address, right?
See, as you can see, we are taking 2, official and personal. So both of that you will be receiving. Okay.
Okay. So, I can do both.
Yeah, fill, no problems.
So, do one thing, come on Saturday and correct it.
No, sir, this form 1 minute, because again you will be busy on Saturday. So that is the issue. You fill on the form. We will collect the
I'll
check.
fill the form now. We'll come and collect the check.
No, I am telling along with the banking details, so that again I need not come. Just again take the check and go the check because. Okay.